guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If you are new, welcome. My name is Lesley and this is my beauty channel where we talk about all things makeup and beauty related. It's a safe place, it's a fun place, and I'd love to have you here. So today's video is a super exciting one. We are going to be doing lip swatches of all the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills Spring 2018 Liquid Lipsticks. There's some amazing colors in here and I can't wait to try them all on my lips. But of course, before we get started on today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell notification so you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. I know a lot of you have been like, I haven't seen your videos popping up, and that's because you probably haven't hit the bell. I will link all of my social media platforms up here for you guys so you can check it out. I do post very frequent on Instagram story. I do like a lot of unboxings and makeup related videos on there because your girl loves makeup, and then also Snapchat, although I'm kind of mad. New Snapchat update. I hope they bring back the old one. I just don't know how it works. So if you know, let me know down below in the comments because I'm so confused. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so jumping right on in to this video, I'm just gonna kind of give you a little bit of information about these liquid lipsticks. There are 11 brand new shades, and when you go to AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com, you will see all of these colors under the liquid lipstick category, and all of the new shades are going to be the ones first listed. So if there is a color you like, you can totally find it without like having to go through and be like, I think that's the one, no it's not, I think that's the one, no it's not. They're just like right there and super easy to find. These have already launched in store, so you can purchase them now. They are on AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. They will be going into store in Sephora, Ulta, anywhere Anastasia is carried in March. There is no specific date listed. Anastasia Beverly Hills is a cruelty-free brand, so these of course are cruelty-free. Most of the shades are vegan except for 3 of them, and I will note in the bottom bar which ones are not vegan, and then also in the lip swatch video. 10 of the colors are a fully matte finish, and then there is one color that looks more of a metallic finish, but it will still dry down matte. It won't be glossy or like tacky or anything, and these retail for $20 a piece.
Blowing up my phone, I think he's in love with me. Reminds me of your voice. And even though we both made it out, you can still have my thoughts. Tell you through these songs. I write them as notes on my phone instead of writing you. Moments aren't ghosts in my mind, but they're bright and blue. And 10 years down the road, I'll still be sitting on the floor, writing about you, lines about midnight car rides, and the color of your eyes, thinking about you, take a shower if my feelings again, no I can't get it out of my head, yeah. Ain't gonna lie, I kinda like the rush. Your mind was on fire, no eyes ever watched. Nice searching for a different kind of high, getting drunk on somebody else's lines. They come to me in words, no I can't help it. Should probably just leave it, but I can't help it. Those moments are no ghosts in my mind, but they're bright and blue. And 10 years down the road, I'll still be sitting on the floor, writing about you, lines about midnight car rides, and the color of your eyes, thinking about you, take a shower if my feelings again, no I can't get it out of my head, yeah. So here's to the pretty guys that went inside your beds, to the really witty guys that went inside your heads. So vivid, still feel it when I think about it. So vivid, still feel it when I think about it. And 10 years down the road, I'll still be sitting on the floor, writing about you, voice blowing up my phone. I think he's in love with me, reminds me of your voice. And even though we both made it out, you can still have my thoughts, tell you through these songs. I write them as notes on my phone instead of writing you.
Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me tell you, my lips are on fire right now. Swatching 11 liquid lipsticks is no joke. These Anastasia Beverly Hills ones are super opaque and they're really high coverage. And then they're also like very long wearing, so they don't come off easily. I did use the Bye Bye Makeup by It Cosmetics to remove each one. It just really breaks down the product and melts it away. But it did mess up my foundation a lot around my mouth, so I apologize. It was looking all kinds of crazy in the video. I tried to touch it up as best as I could, but since it is a balm, it was like melting it down every time I would apply. What can you do? Let me know what your favorite color is down below in the comments. I think mine, I don't just have one just because it's me and I can't just narrow it down to one, but I love Grim, that first color. This would definitely be a go-to for me. I'm definitely taking this on my trip with me, and I really love the color. I think it's so cool. And then I also really loved Poet, the third color. I just loved the shade on my skin tone. I think this shade would work for a lot of different skin tones as well, and it's just such a pretty color, so I really love that one. And then I also really love the shade that I am wearing now. I just think it is so fun. It's like this beautiful matte navy blue, and I'm feeling it. I think it's such a cool color. I don't know, I just love navy lips for like a fun, out of the ordinary pop of color, because why not? It's just makeup at the end of the day. It washes off. And also I did notice when I was applying these Anastasia Liquid Lipsticks, the formula seems a little bit newer to me. They don't seem as drying as the older formula. I know I have the shade Veronica, and I've talked about that one on my channel before, but these ones were actually really comfortable on the lips, super opaque, full coverage in one swipe. You obviously did see that in the swatches, and I think the formula is really great, and whatever they did to it, I'm loving it. The wand too, I just wanted to touch on this. It does have more of a flat wand on either side, and it just makes it super easy to carve out the lips and apply the perfect amount of product. So with all of that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and give the video a thumbs up if you like lip swatch videos. I know I like lip swatch videos. I just think that they're to the point. You get to see all of the shades in its full range, and it's just super fun and really easy, and you're not rambling too much about each product like, here is this one, it's so great. I just think you kind of get all of the shades in a fun little video, and I just hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Moments and ghosts in my mind.